Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GIMP from GIMP step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for GIMP's official website, www.gimp.org. Once the website loads, look for the download button prominently displayed on the home page. Click the download button to initiate the download process. After the download completes, navigate to your computer's downloads folder. Locate the GIMP installer file, which is usually named something like gimp2.x.x.exe for Windows or gimp2.x.x.dmg for Mac. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. If a security prompt appears, click Yes or Open to allow the installer to run. Choose your preferred language for the installation. Read through the license agreement that appears, then click I agree to proceed. Select the destination folder where you want GIMP to be installed, or use the default location suggested. Click the Install button to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once finished, you will see a completion message. You can now choose to launch GIMP immediately by checking the appropriate box. Click Finish to close the installer. Locate the GIMP icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu. Double-click the GIMP icon to launch the program. Congratulations, you have successfully installed GIMP on your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.